Okay, squad, so Valentine's Day is right around the corner, literally. If you're still searching for the perfect gift for yourself, your bestie, your partner, listen, let me tell you something, okay? Let me tell you something. Ana Luisa, you guys need to check out Ana Luisa. Already know I love their pieces and they never miss when it comes to timeless, high quality jewelry at affordable prices. That's the part that we love. And of course, all the links and the discount codes will be in the description box below, so you know where to shop before the Valentine's Day holiday come up. And they have great shipping options, so don't sleep on them. It's February 2nd. Let's get to it. This is literally your time to treat yourself or drop hints. The reason why I love this so much is because it's so freaking dainty. Yes. Anyway, you guys, make sure you check out Ana Luisa's website. The link and everything will be in the description box, like I said before. Don't forget to take advantage of the Valentine's Day sales going on. Thank you, Ana Luisa, once again for sponsoring this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be a part of the Say Squad, because why not? Like, over here, we're coming with the pieces, the clothing, the lifestyle vlogs. Get into it. But overall, you guys, let me know if you like the earrings the best or this cute little dainty ring. I love the ring. I don't really have many rings. Actually, this is the only ring that I have, in fact. So I'm not a ring wearing person, but I definitely think I'm gonna get more of these and get into maybe a couple more. I'm not really an over accessory type of girl. Like I said, I like minimal dainty jewelry. So yeah, these do it for me, interchanging them. But yeah, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be a part of the Say Squad. Don't miss more fashion pieces or jewelry pieces. We're coming with the pieces and the lifestyle vlogs. If you haven't checked out any of my lifestyle vlogs, go and check them out. Ana Luisa, other products will be listed in those vlogs as well. So yeah.